Aquarius, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be washing my hair. It's raining, that's why you could barely hear me, because it's raining. It has been raining for the past hour and a half, which is great because that means more water in our system, you know. So I'm always happy for the rain. Yeah, so in order to wash this hair, I was going to do my rice water treatment. I have my rice water outside, so I have to go and get it, and then I'm going to be putting it in my hair after I shampoo my hair, wash it all that good stuff. I am going to be showing you guys right now how I did this rice water treatment. So take a look at how I did it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make the rice water. A lot of you had questions about how I make the rice water and how I apply it to my hair, or what my wash day routine is. So the first thing I do is I rinse out the rice. I do that twice, and then I'm going to put it in the jar and let it sit there for about 15 to 30 minutes.
Like a champion, no. I know. I am champion, give. I give. I'm giving on me, everything hard on me. My thought was
okay, so I'm gonna seal the cap and I'm going to let that rice sit in there for 15 to 30 minutes. And then I am going to strain the rice out and just keep the rice water. And then I'm gonna put that to ferment for 2 to 4 days. Sometimes, depending on the temperature, it'll be good in a day. My rice water, I already put some in this bottle. I have a little left over, and the rice I'm going to feed it to my chickens. It's not going to waste. I am going to be using my new shampoo and my conditioner, and then I am going to be doing a braid out. And for this braid out, I'm going to be using the Nothing But melted shea butter. I'm going to be using that as the leave-in. I'm going to be using my Blue Magic Indian Hemp as my oil. And then I'm going to be using the Curl Stretch Cream from the dollar store as my cream. And that's how I'm going to be doing my braid out. Okay? So I'm going to be doing the braid out in our separate video, but today I'm just going to be showing you guys my quick wash day routine for my rice water treatment. Okay guys, so I did this whole side and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't even recording. So I'm just going to do this side so that y'all could see what my process is. So I'm going to wet my hair thoroughly, make sure I get most of the gel out. And then after I wet my hair, I'm going to start applying the nourishing shampoo to my hair. So I'm just going to make sure my hair is drenched, because it's easier to detangle it when it's like soaking wet rather than, you know, some dry, some wet. So I'm just drenching my hair with water right now. Okay, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of nourishing shampoo. So I forget the whole section, but this one focus right here. And it lathers really good. And I'm going to section off my hair like so. This. And then I am going to be taking my brush and I am going to detangle my hair. So I'm going to start at the bottom and then work my way up. And then I'm going to use the brush to like clean my scalp. So I'm just going to take the brush and just pass it through my scalp like so. Make sure I get all that gel, all that product off my scalp. And then I'm just going to start from the bottom and work my way up until it's nice and detangled. Once it's detangled, I go ahead and I twist it. And then I do the same thing to the back.
For the kid. Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me, dreams I had for years all came down.
And then after I twist it, I'm going to rinse it out and then I'm going to shampoo my hair one more time just so that it's squeaky clean. And I'm going to massage my scalp and all that good stuff. But this is just to get the product out. So I'm going to wash this out. Washing this out. I'm just squeezing out the shampoo like so. Squeezing it up.
All walked out on me, luck ran out on me, rocks rained down on me, pain all in my way, lights went out on me, change caved in on me, nothing is saving me. In my mind, I'm alive, alive, alive.
And I'm gonna rinse this out. And then I'm gonna apply my rice water. And I'm going to leave it in my hair for an hour. And then I'm gonna rinse it out.
I give, I give, I give. Like a champion, like a champion. I survive, survive, survive.
Okay, so this is the rice water. I'm just going to be applying it to my hair everywhere. And then I'm going to use my brush to make sure it's all in there. Like so. This plastic on my hair like so. And then I'm going to leave this on for an hour with the rice water in there. And then when I come back, I'm going to wash it out, apply my conditioner, and then wash that out. And then we're ready to do the braid out. Stay tuned. Rinse out my hair. right now I'm about to do a braid out, so stay tuned for that. That'll be the next video.